Number 2 in as many days. We're gonna put them in the box. So I've seen them swarm up, like leave a box like this, swarm to a tree, and then later on that day, swarm right back to the box they just left out of. Yep. Oh yeah, I'm sure it's probably massive. Just wondering where, if Her Highness is in here. I mean, I'm sure she is. I mean, just being able to find her, she's probably in this clump right back there. All right, everyone, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. It's probably 5 o'clock. I just got back from picking up a swarm collection and set them right where I want them to be, but I didn't have enough frames with me when I went, so I'm gonna try to drop some frames in here and some sugar water for them, and they're probably gonna come flying out. Mostly on the top. Dropping that in there. Little brood frame. Gonna squirt them with a bit of sugar water. Try to center them up a little bit. I also squirted these with a little bit of sugar. One. Bunch of old frames. Center them up a bit. If I can, I don't see the queen. Not really worried about her too much at the moment. Gonna make sure they're on vented. Where they can't escape out. Drop them some feed there. So I've already got them. This is where they're gonna be. And I don't want them to leave the box, so hopefully that'll be good enough for them right there, and give them something to drink and something to make it for the next couple days while I have them secluded in. But the other one I got was here, but I think they can already get in and out because the tape didn't stick on the bottom of this old Pro Nuke. So I think they're doing all right. I haven't opened them up. They really haven't taken much syrup down. This is the one from yesterday, and that's the one over there from today. So wasn't expecting a swarm today, but guy called me and said he had one on his bush, and I went and got it. So anyway, guys, Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.